First, really understanding the risk, your risk appetite, and then how to build an effective strategy around psychosocial health. Getting the right support to both understand the capacity and capability across those 4 Ps. So the process, the people, the place, plant and equipment. And then lastly, having methods in place to have effective assurance to ensure that those controls are not only in place, but effective too. And that could be at a very senior level with officers demonstrating and exercising due diligence, all the way through to other lines of defence, from frontline operators all the way through to having other forms of both internal and external assurance as well.